совершения этого преступления. И я надеюсь на суд, что меня не обвинят. Вообще считаю, что полное освобождение от этого заторможения.
Over the past 2 years, my office has been working closely with the family of Robert Gilman, a Massachusetts resident raised in Lowell, who was wrongfully detained in Russia on questionable charges for 1,666 days, wrongfully detained by the Russian government. No charges that were in fact backed up by evidence, yet they kept him there incarcerated for 1,666 days. And finally, Robert has been released by the Russian government and is on his way home. Today is a good day. Throughout his detention, Robert subjected to physical torture, to forced medication, and provocations by the Russian government. But what matters now is that he is on his way to receiving the treatment in the United States which he needs. He will be given that treatment at a military hospital in Texas. That treatment is long overdue. And while this news is deeply welcome, it is a tragedy that it took Robert's near-death condition for this case to receive the attention which it required for his release to be negotiated. Today, I talked earlier to Robert's father, Vlad. Vlad is overjoyed at the release of Robert. He is awaiting Robert's arrival in San Antonio, and he is absolutely there now for Robert to make sure that he gets the care which he will need. And I promised him that we would continue to have his back, that we would continue to make sure that the Gilman family and every one of those family members who have been through an ordeal, that they get the help which they need, that we'll be with them every single step of the way. That family never lost hope. Because of bipartisan work, Robert Gilman is free. Robert Gilman is heading back to his family. I think it's very important to let Russia know that we are going to hold them to the highest possible human rights standards. We cannot allow them to act in an authoritarian way that detains Americans, endangers their health, endangers their lives. We have to have the highest possible standard that we are imposing. And to the extent to which that happened over the last few days, and we were able to effectuate the release of Robert, that's good. But we can't release, we cannot reduce the pressure that we apply on the Russians. There are other Americans there.